Hey y'all, I'm Caleb. I'm one of the owners of Curmudgeons, and today I'm going to talk to you about our do-it-yourself kit. If you feel like you want to take your own hand and make a mead, well, we got a kit for you. That kit's going to come with your gallon carboy in its lid. You're going to get this nice hydrometer. You get some directions. You get an easy siphon with a hose. You're going to get a cylinder. You're going to get a stopper and an airlock. You're going to get some yeast. You're going to get some sanitizer. And you're going to get some Campton and potassium sorbate. There's going to be some things that you got to provide yourself, like some tea bags, maybe a funnel, and you got to go get some honey. That way you can use your own local honey from wherever you are. And remember, if you make garbage, we make the good stuff. You can visit us online at www.curmudgeonstx.com. Check out our website. You can get more stuff there. Hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, try doing it the way I told you to.